My name is Antonio Bush. I'm 17 and I'm from Atlanta.
Right now, we're learning positive affirmations on how to save money.
Coming up with a skit that's dealing with peer pressure.
We learned the importance of storytelling, and now we're learning how to fly a drone.
Yo, Shake Nation. What happened? Who that? Who calling me? Wanna call him on the line?
Cause my shoe game looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like time I'm on the carpet, they at me by my shoe game. Who you thinking? Yeah, they at me by my boo thing. I tell them two things, I tell them mind yours. Cause everything you see I got, you know I grind for it. Everything murder scene, homicide. When I'm switching in them dresses with them hips and thighs and lips to eyes, gotta make these hipsters rise. And your stylist on my body cause I'm sample size. Shoe game looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking like my boo game, looking like my shoe game, looking.
Yes, you're your own boss, but at the end of the day, when you have your own business, you work for the people. Because if the people don't buy it, you don't have a business. You have a hobby, right? If you create a business and people don't buy into your business, it's no longer called a business. It's a hobby, right? And so you work, and that's the mindset, right? If you work for a job, you work for your boss. You do what your boss says. But if you have a business, you work for the people.
I'm Tim, and I'm a product line manager. So my job from end to end is to manage the product in the front end. So what we're doing right now is we're actually on we call it insight dig. We collect information from you guys. We try to solve the problems that you guys have in shoes. We're asking some of the kids issues they were having with their shoes.